Hi guys, I am showing you how we can upload a video on YouTube. We open YouTube app and go to plus sign, you can see down in the middle, and click on upload a video. You can see so uploading some videos. After select a video, we give them a good title, a trending title. Make sure your title is all about selected videos. Don't use fake titles or other trending titles because it's a community guidelines for YouTube. After giving the title, we add some description related the videos and add some keywords related video. You must write the name of your channel in the description because it's help to boost your channel. We can say it's not made for kids because if we select made for kids, only 7 to 13 years old boys can watch. We can say that our video is going to upload. After upload, you can see on your personal videos. Thank you.